Our Advanced Repair Placenta Serum is a 4-week intensive repair and regenerative treatment that is done only once a year. Many award-winning ingredients have gone into our products, one of which is apple stem cells. Studies have shown that it boosts production of human stem cells, protecting the cells from stress and decreasing the appearance of wrinkles. Sheep placenta is a new and impressive ingredient making its way into anti-aging skincare. It helps rejuvenate and assist cell vitalization, increase skin elasticity, and reduce and prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E and marine collagen work together to protect against sun damage and stimulate the assembly of collagen, which is critical for healthy and young-looking skin. Apply once a day for 30 days on the face, forehead, and neck.